What happens when a house refuses to be just a shelter and instead chooses to become part of the landscape around it? In the Strazik House, architecture does not sit on the land, it emerges from it, as if it had always belonged there. Located within a vast vineyard in Los Chacayes on the slopes of the Uco Valley in Argentina, this residence was conceived as a quiet retreat in constant dialogue with the Andean landscape. Rather than creating an isolated volume, the architects defined the house as a horizontal line stretching parallel to the Andes Mountains, a clear gesture of belonging. This architectural alignment is not merely aesthetic. Every space in the house is oriented toward the Andean horizon, creating a way of living that is both contemplative and deeply sensory. The design strategy is based on three core principles: horizontality as a means of integrating the house with the site and the open landscape, platform, a plane that elevates the gaze over the vineyards and visually connects the home to the mountains, and materiality, the use of local stone and pigmented concrete to create continuity with the surrounding mineral environment. In this way, mass, texture, and tone merge with the mountain range. The concrete, calm, and mineral conveys weight and timelessness. The stone, with its density and irregularity, anchors the building to the ground. The result is an architecture that remains present without imposing itself and integrates without dissolving, a quiet presence that seems to rise directly from the land. There are no excesses, no spectacular gestures. Here, the essential is experienced through every detail: the rhythm of linear circulation, the visual relationships with the landscape, the balance between opacity and transparency, the precise proportions that respond to an enduring notion of beauty. To inhabit this house is to enter a different rhythm, one in which time seems to gain depth and meaning. It is to feel the wind moving across horizontal plains and to watch the light shift as the hours pass. The interior follows the same logic of contemplation. As one moves through the spaces, each environment heightens awareness of the present moment, inviting stillness and silence. This house is not just a place to live, it is a pause in the landscape, a space that acts as a bridge between human presence and nature, where the act of dwelling becomes contemplation. More than a residential project, the Strazik House is a reflection on scale, presence, and silence, an invitation to slow down and exist in harmony with the world around us.